Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
How do you do?
Hey, Mick and Mim.
Sure you take good care of our friends.
Of course, they're with me. What could possibly go wrong? Don't have to worry. Oh, I'm working on the radio. Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty manual. Let's see. Oh, ow. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. Hope you don't have any other plans. Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Stop us now.